What up? Today I made my own spacers for mounting my amplifiers to my subwoofer box, and I also made my own custom bus bars for my speaker terminals for my subwoofer box also. So stay tuned. Very cheap, do it yourself, budget friendly. Hit that like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Transmission oil cooler hose from O'Reilly's. 12 inches for like $4.58. You're about to see what we're gonna do with it. Check it out. Cut them up. About 1/2 inch for my mids and highs amps, and about 3/4 of an inch for my bass amps. Put them under them. Like so. Gets it off a little bit. Ta-da! Man, it looks beautiful. So first I actually just screwed the amps in place, and then I was able to take them back out. I already had my holes, and I put the spacers in and screwed them in. Looks nice. Stick off enough. But not too much, because I literally had zero room up there. Here they are. So next, I need to do my speaker terminals, because I just had the bolts coming out of the side of the box, just some 1/4 20-inch bolts coming out of the side of the box, and I did just a positive negative bolt for each sub, so that's 2 bolts a sub. So I had 18 bolts coming out the side of my box that I need to somehow link 3 of those bolts together, because I'm hooking 3 subs together for 1 amp. So most people just do wire jumpers in between, but I'm gonna do something a little different. Let me show you. So for my speaker terminals, I'm gonna do some aluminum bus bar and see how that works. I got some 1/4 inch thick aluminum bus bar. It's like 1 inch wide, and I just cut it down however long you need it. You can get it off Amazon for fairly cheap. So, got my holes marked, put it in my handy dandy vise, and we're gonna drill some holes. Woo, hot. Something like that. Got some holes in it. Now let's go throw them on the studs and see what they look like. So we turn this into this. Bus bars for my speaker terminals. So we got 1 amp, 2 amp, 3 amp, 3 positives for each, 3 negatives for each. So I think it looks pretty cool. What do you think? That far right one on the bottom droops down a little bit because I didn't pre-plan the holes, but it's pretty cool. I know aluminum probably has a little bit more resistance than copper, but I was like, man, do I really want to buy all of these lugs? It would have been 18. I don't know, too many to count. So that would have been a lot of crimping and a lot of stuff, so whatever. Anyways, hit that like and subscribe, and it's gonna be a short video, but thanks for watching. And I see the mail lady. That means she's got some bus bars for me to finish wiring up some stuff and some lugs. So I'm about to go bid her good day and get some packages. Check you later.